Hi, I'm Trey here working for Wihebrink Landscape Management. We are here in Warsaw doing a built-in fireplace, getting it all leveled out. We are currently leveling the first base block of our fire pit. Alec here had cut out our perfect circle to fill in our block, and pretty much what we're doing is leveling it out, trying to beat it down so it stays. Checking our level. And then if we get it when we get it pretty close, we'll check off of another one, the one that he's working on. And then I go from there.
Leveling your base cores, you want to make sure that your seams are perfectly level with each other. You can check your level by teetering your level back and forth on the seam so that when you offset your next row, it doesn't teeter on the seam.
Underneath our base of block, we have an inch of sand. Then under that, we have our 73 limestone aggregate that we put underneath it.
8 inches.
Keeps it nice and sturdy. There's 8 inches of limestone in here. Make sure it's not going anywhere. After we get this all leveled out, we will eventually move all of those over to here and we will glue them in course by course, so it'll be 3 courses tall. And then we'll put this ring in for heat.